We do turn to other news and to a woman who had been missing for months, discovered and then rescued. Authorities say she was chained up in a storage container, and tonight what she told police. They now fear it does not end with her. ABC's Lindsay Davis on the investigation in South Carolina.
Just off this road in rural South Carolina, a gruesome discovery. A missing woman found in a container where she'd been kept for 2 months, chained up like a dog. And now this man, Todd Christopher Kohlhepp, a registered sex offender, is under arrest.
Figure out exactly what we're going to charge him with. I can tell you that one of the charges is going to be kidnapping.
Police say they heard the victim bang on a container in a wooded area surrounded by a chain-link fence. Authorities have been searching the area for 30-year-old Kayla Brown and her boyfriend Charles Carver since they went missing in late August. Today, police say they found Carver's car on that property and that Brown says there could be multiple bodies there.
We're trying to make sure that we don't have a serial killer on our hands.
Kohlhepp is a realtor in Spartanburg. The victim's friend told a local paper Brown had helped Kohlhepp clean houses before he rented or sold them.
Brown says she was fed during her time in captivity. Weeks after the couple disappeared, there was a Facebook post saying that they were okay, but family members had always questioned if the account had been hacked. David?
Lindsay Davis with us tonight. Lindsay, thank you.